put on a Greddy turbo on his FRS, and we've been talking about making this video for so long. Ever since we decided to like both boost our cars, just hitting the back roads, having some fun. That's exactly what we're gonna be doing today. We just gotta fill up on some E85 before we head out. The back roads? Overheat? No oil cooler boys? Huh? Here's what we got going on today. We got the Vortex Supercharger. Pretty much everything you can pretty much add to like a boosted setup. We got injectors, fuel pump, flex fuel kit, 3-inch exhaust, the 3-inch Buddy Club single exit. Yeah, it's gonna be so sick. Remember last time? Dude, it's been like so long. Hit the back roads, get some sound clips, flybys, some pops. Pops? It's gonna be crazy. I'm actually curious to see which one is quicker, because we're actually both on the same exact tune. We have the same tune from Delicious Tuning. It's the Flash and Go tune. It's just he has a turbo kit, so I'm pretty curious on which one is quicker. What? Let's run it. Here? Down farther. Second gear. Yo, his car pulls so hard. Dude, your car, dude, the freaking flames are crazy.
There's flames?
Dude, yes. It's like mine.
Oh. Oh, fuck. Oh my gosh.
I kind of want to hear it. Oh my gosh, dude. Ah, that's too that's too much. Yeah, we always used to go to this spot to do like flybys and exhaust clips and all that. Simply because there's like nothing around. Like there's nobody around to like bother. You're like out in the middle of nowhere. This place is super chilling. Plus it's like a really nice view.
Can't get over those pops, man. Those are loud.
That last one was like perfect timing.
Yeah, it was. I was like right there.
Oh my gosh. Those people are probably like, what in the world? You're good. Ooh, that pothole though. Damn, it's gonna be the second FRS, second turbo FRS I'm gonna drive. It's been a while though. It's been over, sheesh, I don't even know how long. I noticed his car is so much more sensitive than mine. The throttle response is super, super quick. Like, I don't know if it's just me, but I don't know. Like shaking so much. Solid like mounts, like solid everything. Once you go a little bit quicker, everything is just vibrating. It's so weird. But like the feeling, like boost, it feels pretty similar. Like power wise, it feels pretty similar.
Mine's more on top.
Yeah. Like his kicks in, since it's a turbo, it kicks in at like 5,000 RPM. Versus mine, it's more around like 4,000, 3,500. But the power, like the kick feels much similar. Both of them. We're both on E85, same exact tune. I like it a lot. So sick. I know, we need oil coolers. So winter time though, it's gonna be boost season. It is so hot out here. We're gonna head out right now. And I'm probably gonna wash the car at my house because it's so dirty. I haven't washed it in so long.